In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stream on Kick on mobile device. So first of all, make sure you have installed these Streamlabs on your Android or iPhone, and then go to your browser. In browser, open kick.com website and go ahead and just log into your Kick account. Once you successfully signed into your Kick account, tap on your profile photo at the top right corner, and here tap on settings. Once you are in your settings, select stream URL and key, and here you find your stream URL. Tap on this eye icon, and then you have to verify your Kick account email address. So go to your Gmail and switch to the Gmail first of all, and here you get the Kick OTP verification mail. Just copy the OTP code from here just like this, then go back to your Kick and paste the OTP code here. Once you successfully verified, here we can see my stream URL for Kick. Just copy the stream URL. Once you copy it, you have to launch the Streamlabs app on your phone, and then click on this menu at the top left corner. Here select account settings. Here tap on custom RTMP server, and here name, type here Kick, and URL, paste the URL that you just copied from your Kick, and stream key, again go back to your Kick and copy the stream key and just paste here the stream key, and then tap on save, and then your Streamlabs and your Kick will be connected. And now go back from here and just go to your Streamlabs main page and then tap on go live, and here you can select your camera or your screen share. So I'm selecting camera and clicking on next, and my channel. From this channel you have to enable Kick, so just enable Kick and tap on next, and here write your stream title and write your stream description, and here you can change your stream resolution, you can change your stream frame per second. So I'm selecting here 30 fps, and here you can change your kbps for your video bitrate. Then just click on go live, it may take some moments to connect your Streamlabs with your Kick live, and here as you can see my live successfully started. And here as you can see right now I'm in my Kick browser, and I'm just going to my creator dashboard page and selecting this stream page, and here as you can see I've successfully started to stream on my Kick from my mobile device, and this is how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.